frustrated with the LAME Encoder DLL pop-up blocking LAME project? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To kick off the LAME Encoder walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the LAME Encoder, the industry-standard library for encoding raw audio into the MP3 format. It provides the psychoacoustic modeling required for high-fidelity compression. It is a mandatory dependency for audio editors like Audacity. Without it, the application will be unable to export files as MP3, often displaying an encoder module not found notification. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. If you see a LAME Encoder DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the LAME project subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If the Redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the LAME encoder file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of LAME Encoder DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning LAME encoder-related issues. If you've regained access to LAME Encoder thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.